Hi everyone, it's Neil, and if you know me, you know I got myself a boat recently. And what do you need on a boat? You need a walkie-talkie kind of thing so you can call for help when you get stranded. Hopefully I won't get stranded. But this is the Standard Horizon HX40. It's the VHF FM Marine transceiver, and here's some instruction information on the back. And here's the side view there. Nothing too thrilling. But let's open it up and see what's inside here. So we have the handy dandy manual. The other paper in there was just my packing list. Let's see. So in it here we have a charger, and it's got this kind of plug on it there. So it's its own little proprietary, well, not really necessarily proprietary, but it's not a standard USB or anything. It comes with a little belt clip, a little charging base. So I would say in this charging base, I'm gonna plug it in right there, and then it can go to either side, and then there it's gonna be on the base. Or if I keep it on my boat, which I will probably keep it on my boat, it can plug into the cigarette lighter and have that one there. And then it comes with the walkie-talkie thing, the little deal itself as well. What happened to the and then it comes with the antenna too. So the antenna just screws on. And I actually opened it up just a little bit before just to kind of check it out to see what it looked like and stuff. And I put this little string on it because it comes with this too. But let's see, and then to turn it on, you can see we just hold down that little power button for a second. And now we're on channel 16. And we can see this is the emergency one, so hopefully I'm not gonna talk to anybody on that one. But you can see it's also got different options. If I hit like the menu, you can see you can do different things on it. You've got FM and you've got the weather. So let's just go over to the weather.
43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
And here we have the
These
weather.
are the 1 p.m. observations for the local area on Sunday, November 22nd.
And then we have
State Field. It was partly sunny. The temperature was 80 degrees.
And then
January
and then we
4th,
have a
get
radio, just so you know
$250
FM
off
radio,
when you
so I just
purchase
want
an
to listen to
eligible
the radio.
phone.
I
Go
can.
online, call 1-800-XFINITY or visit a store today. Requires paperless.
And then we're back on there. And it's pretty easy to do. You can just see I just push the menu button and then back and forth and enter. So really pretty basic, pretty easy to get it to go. It's got the little push to talk. The volume is just kind of the up and down. Oh, that's the channel up and down here. You can kind of see I'm doing channel up and down, and I think the volume must be the left and right and stuff to set the different things. You can kind of see some of them on there. But that's it. So I got this just for my emergency use. I probably won't even use this unless I need it. I have a regular radio in the boat, so I don't think I need this little thing to listen to music from. But I guess maybe I could listen to the weather or something if I'm out for very long, but I'll probably just go an hour or two at a time since I have a dock that I'm building out there, so I'll be able to just go when I want. But that's kind of it. Let's see what else it came with here. It came with, I guess that's it. And the clip, I can put the clip on it right there. So I can slide it on if I want the clip on. I don't know if I'll ever even use the clip because I have this thing. I don't know what I'd clip it on, but I don't know. So that's it. So thumbs up for me. I like it. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. So if you want to get one for yourself, you can. But I've kind of played around with it a little bit. It's got a nice little antenna, and it seems like it's gonna be nice. And it's nice and small. I'll stick this in the glove box of my boat, and it'll just be handy whenever I need it. Got good ratings as far as distance and everything else. It's got a little port up here. You can open it up and put in your headset if you wanted to do it that way. But I like it, so thumbs up from me. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, and the link's in the description, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.